think I'll go ahead and open these up since we have such a hard time.
Yeah.
You have such a hard time opening these.
Let's master this one.
It'd be good.
Is there meat involved in it, or is it just
Yes,
soup?
there is meat. Okay. Hey y'all, today we are going to make something delicious. We are going to make stick of butter rice and chicken, and I think that you guys are going to love it. It's going to be easy. It's going to take about an hour in the oven to bake. So we're going to start off, you're going to start off with this baking dish, just a big casserole dish. We're going to use...
Is that a 9 by 11?
Probably.
Someone less.
Oh, can you give me that cup, that measuring cup? All right. So easy. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and you're going to put 2 cups of rice in there.
Just raw.
Yeah. This is not minute
Uncooked.
rice. Yeah. 2 cups of uncooked rice. Where's the package? And I can just long grain rice, just like that. You could probably use the
Short grain?
herb. Yeah. You could probably use orzo or something, anything like that. But this is just 2 cups. And to our pan of rice, you're going to add 1 cup of French onion soup.
Just right in here.
2 cans of beef consomme.
Why are these cans so small? What do they call that? Shrinkflation? Where
Shrinkflation, probably.
these
so.
cans used to be bigger when I was a kid.
I know, babe. I
Or
know.
maybe my hands are smaller. All these in here?
Yes, 2 cans beef consomme. And then we're going to do 1 stick of butter. Now, if you want to use a regular stick of butter, you can, but I'm going to use the Kerrygold garlic and herb. Kerrygold garlic and herb.
We gotta melt that down?
Yeah, can you put that in the microwave for just a little bit and let that get melted?
4 minutes?
Baby portobello mushrooms. And what I'm going to do is put them in my little chopper here. I love mushrooms. Okay.
Remind you of your wild days? Eating shrooms? I'm just kidding.
I've never had a shroom.
No, I haven't either.
Is that what they're called? Shrooms?
I don't even know what I'm talking
We
about.
do have a shroom burger.
Yeah, but you know shrooms like back
That
in
make
the
you
70s,
crazy?
people ate them. And
Yeah. No.
I'm already there. I don't need anything extra.
I've never done that. Now, I'm going to take my baby portobello mushrooms and I'm going to put them in my little Pampered Chef chopper here because I want them to be chopped up pretty fine. Now, I usually do this.
so if you don't like mushrooms, you could just replace that with like ground beef or
Here's the thing.
bacon.
No. I know
Okay.
that you don't like mushrooms. He doesn't like mushrooms.
Here we go.
But I have put mushrooms in several things that he has eaten and he didn't know it.
Right.
Because I've done this.
That's why I've been having a refrigerator.
Because that's what I do.
You know, and I've heard that, all my life, so I'm a picky eater. And it's like, you won't even taste it. Okay, then why put it in there if you don't taste it? Am I missing something? Like, why
It
would
gives
you-
it an earthy taste.
Yeah.
I think you're going to like it.
I don't, I was telling somebody.
You like my chicken pot pie? You like my chicken
Yeah.
pot pie? You don't like it? You don't like my
it's
chicken
been
pot
so long
pie?
since you made it. Let's not get it. I don't like earthy tasting like tea, sweet tea. People drink it. I've tried it. It's just mushrooms.
Look
like-
how fine that's chopped up. So if you have somebody who doesn't like mushrooms, you can do this.
But you know what? If you're cooking and somebody doesn't like it, they can always eat a sandwich because you're the one cooking.
Exactly. So this is going to be one of the small packages of the mushrooms. Spread that on there.
I just need to stir this
You
up.
don't
or
have,
stir
no,
it?
just like that. You don't have to use mushrooms if you don't want to.
Ground beef or bacon would be fine.
Right? So, just so you know, no, you do not have to use the mushrooms.
Are you ready for the butter?
Not yet. Now we're going to put on some, not shredded, grated. Now we're going to put on some grated Parmesan, just like this.
That's the good kind too.
Yeah. So just cover the top of that.
Smells good.
And I'm going to go ahead and just use this whole thing. So let me see how many ounces that is. 5 ounces. 5 ounces of Parmesan. Now, if you want to go ahead and drizzle your butter right over the top of that. Thank you.
Beautiful.
Save me back just a tad.
Ooh.
Oh, okay, that's okay. All right. Now, I'm going to take some chicken. You can use thighs, breast. These are just some chicken tenders. So I'm going to go ahead and season these up. And what I'm going to use is the blend, which is salt, pepper, and garlic, and smoked paprika.
That right there's where it's at. Tenders.
So let's go ahead and just pour this in and get them coated really good.
And it's child proof.
That's a new one.
Keep kids from cooking.
I'll
Delish.
get that.
You want it on kill mode or?
Yeah, kill mode is great.
That's
Because we're gonna coat them. We're coating them. There we go. So we're just gonna coat these really good with our paprika, smoked paprika, and the blend. Just like that. And now we'll just drizzle the rest of this right over the top. Just like that. Drizzle, 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 drizzle. Okay, now you have to cover this tightly with aluminum foil. So cover it really tight.
pull off way too much.
All right. Tightly cover it. We're going to put it in at 350 degrees for 1 hour.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh, that looks good.
That looks good, doesn't it?
Smells delish.
Okay. That looks so good.
That looks good.
Oh, yeah. Okay, let's let it cool for just a minute, but this looks like it's going to feed quite a few people. Look at that. Oh, look how tender that chicken looks. That's going to be delicious.
That is good.
It's good.
That is good.
Even with the mushrooms, you like it with the mushrooms?
Yeah,
I mean,
it's good.
Even if you didn't know there were mushrooms in there.
I would know. I know everything. Everything's spicy to you though.
Probably.
Ketchup, mayonnaise.
Look at that. Look how good that looks.
That's good.
This is an easy supper.
That is easy.
I mean, we just poured everything in one
Set it,
pan.
forget it.
Yeah, poured everything in one pan and baked it for an hour. And I
You
think,
don't like that? Something's wrong with you.
I think the kids will like this too. If you don't want to put mushrooms in it, don't. I mean, but I'm thinking you can put a lot of things in here. You can put some onions. I mean, just make it your own. Peas.
Bacon, peas. Now, why would you want to run it with peas?
Your face.
I mean, I thought you were gonna say something cool like
Your face.
not peas.
Peas. Like to give a vegetable. Put a vegetable in it.
No.
Some broccoli.
You're going the wrong direction. Sorry. I know I look like I eat healthy, but I'm not into the healthy stuff. That bacon, now we're going. A little bit of shredded cheese on there. See?
Cheese.
Some slap your mama seasoning. Cajumize it a
You
little
could
bit.
Cajumize this. You could totally Cajumize this and do shrimp and rice.
I'm in. Yeah, now you're going the right direction there. Shrimp. Yeah, okay.
Yeah,
Now we're talking.
slap your mama on the shrimp.
Yep.
There's so many things you can do with this. Stick of butter rice.
Just like it is, and just eat it.
Stick of butter rice, and then add whatever protein you'd like. But that chicken is so tender and so good. It's really good. I'm eating it. Oh, go make this. You're gonna love it. And remember, if you are in Branson, Missouri, if you're coming on vacation, you can come and see us right here at Local Flavor on 76 Country Boulevard. We would love to have you guys for lunch or supper, and we would love to meet you and visit with you.
And
So,
if anyone sees you, because someone said on Facebook they saw you, but you look too busy, but they want to talk to you. Flag her down. Throw a salt shaker at her, get her attention.
I am busy, but I still love to talk. I mean, I love to visit with everybody and meet everybody. Please don't hesitate to ask for me because, I mean, yeah, we're busy, but that's what we do. That's what we do. We love it here.
It's always nice
love
to talk to people.
It is. It's nice to meet
Hear where
everybody.
they're from.
Yeah, I love it.
Unless you have a complaint, don't say nothing.
Yeah, I mean, if you love it, we love to hear back from you guys. Leave us a review, and if you didn't love it, keep your mouth shut.
That easy.
Okay, everybody have a fantastic day, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.
See ya.